it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant, and girl, today we are finally talking small clearance haul. This is only one of my boxes that I ordered from the clearance that happened, girl, like a week or two ago. I don't even know what day it was, but we had a flash sale. I think it was like July 6th through 7th or something like that. I got only one box in. Girl, I panicked. I was like, I need this, this, and this, and this, check out. Then I need this, this, and this, and then check out. So I have another box, but I didn't want to wait. I wanted to show you guys what I ordered because, girl, I want my stuff. So here we go. This was a really good clearance sale that happened. The best one, honestly, the best clearance sale was the clearance sale that happened in March right before I was leaving to Europe. And I was so bummed because I couldn't order anything because I was leaving out of the country. But this one was not as good, but it was like good. So like top was March and July was like right here. It was still a freaking good sale. So let's get into it. I got stuff. Oh, all right. So we'll start off with, I bought a whole bunch. There's more coming of scent circles. And I bought them in the scents that I love, like Best in Snow. Oh girl, how many do we have? Because I just ordered a whole bunch. We got Best in Snow. Oh, Sun Ripened Berry. That is one of my favorite scents. Vanilla Mint. Vanilla Mint is not returning, so I'm a little bummed. Homestead Holiday is not returning, and I am bummed about that too. This is one of my favorite Christmas scents, and I should have put it in my club, but I thought it was coming back, and that's what happens when they don't come back. So it is what it is. I always find other Scentsy consultants like at farmer markets and stuff, and I buy their wax as well. So I had to order this even though I already have it. This is the Jack Skellington mini warmer. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I needed it. So I'm going to show you guys the mini warmer because I have it out. So usually I have a mini warmer like sitting down there. This is the mini warmer that's going to be sitting down there from now on. Well, not from now on, but for a while. So it is a huge mini warmer. It's ceramic and it has all the beautiful detailing. It glows really bright, and it does come with this little tin thing. It comes off. You have your little notches right there and you put it on. And one thing I do love about the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff is that it comes with a black base, and I love it. This glows really beautifully. It's Jack Hugging Zero. Can't beat it. Oh, and then the dish. The dish is actually pretty huge. I've been using it, as you could tell. So the dish is pretty huge. My whole finger, almost half of my finger can fit in there. You can easily fit 2 cubes in here. I wouldn't do it, girl. You just need one for a mini warmer. We got wax. Oh, girl. What else we got in here? I think that's it. Okay. It's just a little small haul because, like I said, I panicked. So we got Bright Cider Life Body Sugar Scrub. I love the sugar scrubs for my body. Love it. It takes off all the dead skin. It leaves your skin so moisturized, but the oils in here, I love it. I cannot say enough about it. But I only got one because the new catalog's coming out and I want some other sugar scrubs from there. But I love Bright Cider Life. In fact, what I have right now in my shower is pumpkin cinnamon swirl. Smells so delicious. So delicious. So let's go over wax that I got. I ordered wax in both of them. I don't need any more wax, you guys. I'm gonna have an empties video coming, and there's so many bars that I'm getting through. I'm getting through my whole, well, not my whole, I'm getting through partial of my stash. I've had this stash forever, and the bars are getting so juicy and gunky and yeah, that I have to get through them. So I have been on a no wax buy for months. I've only been buying, like, if I need it, I put it in my club, or if it's a consultant perk, I've been picking it up. Otherwise, I have not really been buying wax. No, I lied. I bought wax for when I did a 10 bar special, but that was because it was Bring Back My Bar, and that went in my stash. I carry my I store my stash in my whiff boxes, and I've already gotten through 2 whiff boxes that are empty and they went in the trash. So I started off with 11 and now I have 8. So I'm getting through it. That's just how it is. But what I ordered here is, I want to say I ordered the farm bundle where you got, oh girl, how many bars did they say we get? Like 10 or something? And it was for 30 bucks. And I could not pass up on it. So I believe it's 10 bars. I mean, ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Oh no, 10 bars. Girl, 10 bars. So we got 10 bars for $30, and they had 3 bundles you could buy at that clearance sale, like a Christmas bundle, an outdoors bundle. It was in a farm bundle. I don't know. There's probably more. Who knows? I bought the farm bundle because, girl, I don't need no trees. I told you, I'm done with trees. That was like the outdoor bundle. Oh, and then there was like a Christmas bundle. Girl, that was all tree too. I don't need no more tree in my life. So I got the farm bundle, and we got 10 bars for 30 bucks. So let's go over what bars came in there. So we have white grapefruit. I've never had white grape. Most of these, I don't think I've had. Oh my God, that smells like tart. Oh my God, tart grapefruit. Oh my God, that just smells like, oh, like white grapefruit. Ooh, that's super, super tart, super juicy. I might really like that. I like tart stuff. I like stuff that hits you like back here, hits you right in the nose, hits you in the face, girl. That's the kind of stuff I like. So, Grandma's Orchard. Look at the packaging. Cute little apples. I'm a sucker for apple scents. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's like red apple. I don't get like spice or anything. Like a little bit of outdoorsy, like woodsy, earthy, like earthy apple. Ooh, that smells really, really nice. I think I'm going, why can't these be available for Club Scentsy already? We have Darling Dahlia. Don't know what this is going to be. But little, I don't know. Oh, little floral. Perfumey. Like floral. Little earthy. Why is everything earthy? Oh my God, Aileen, not everything's gonna be earthy today. That's really nice. Really, really nice. A little floral in there, a little bit of earthiness. Next up is A is for apple. And by the looks of it, I'm hoping it's green apple. I'm in love with green apple. Oh, that's green apple. That is tart green apple. This is like Appletini Splash without the corn syrup. Tart, fresh green apple. Maybe a little bit of pear. Oh, that's nice. Nice, tart, juicy green apple up my alley. So we've had this one before, apple and oats. This came back in a bring back my bar. This smells like oatmeal. It smells like oatmeal, like apple, cinnamon, oatmeal with a little bit of apple, more oatmeal. And it's very bakery. Did I warm it? I think I warmed it, and it's just not the season for it yet. But coming up, it's going to be the season. And I love bakery as soon as it starts getting cold. As soon as fall hits, girl, it's all pumpkin. It's already pumpkin. Gleeful grape. This is like a very old, when they used to have like the bicycles. I think that was like intended for like, you knew the symbol was like for kids or something like that back in the day. Oh, that's Dimetap. Yep, that's grape. That's grape. Like, it's not as strong as grape granita, but it's grape. And if you like grape, grape can come off as grape, or it can come off a little Dimetap. This smells like a little bit like Dimetap. To me, everybody's sniffers, differs, everybody goes where it goes. Kind of just what it is. Coastal Strawberry. I have smelled this before in Car Bar, in Scent Circle, and I believe in Wax. I think I've had this like a long time ago. This is very, very nice. It's not like Sugar Strawberry. It is a downplayed strawberry. I want to say it's kind of like the strawberry that's in Strawberry Rose without like the earthiness. But this was very light, very creamy strawberry. I'm interested. I don't remember if I warmed this or not, or if I just had it in a Car Bar. I remember it being light, so I can't wait to, all these I just can't wait to start warming as soon as it gets a little bit cooler. So grapefruit and sunshine. So we had this tart grapefruit, which I like grapefruit. Ooh, this is not as tart. Oh, that's nice. It has like orange and like grapefruit, but not as tart. Oh, this is nice and citrus. I love citrus when I'm cleaning. In fact, I feel like that's all I've been doing because of construction. Cleaning, and I've been trying to put like the scents so I can feel like everything's going good. Watermelon wave. I love watermelon. Sandia, tajin, all the way. I love watermelon. Oh, this smells so nice. Nothing compares to Moana, you guys. Nothing compares to Moana, and I love aloe vera and ivy that has that watermelon note. Those are like the freshest watermelons that I ever smelled. This is nice. This is like a smoothie watermelon. Not like fresh, almost candy, like sugar. But I can't wait to see how they warm. I'm going to start, some of these I am going to start warming, hopefully. And one of my favorites that I'm bummed that I did not put it in my club. I tried, and when I did, it was no longer available, and it's Sun Ripened Berry. I only have a few bars. This will probably be like, I think I have 2 bars in my stash, and this will be my 3rd. And I love this one. I hope Scentsy brings it back next catalog. I really did love this one. I loved it so much I wanted it in my club with Sunburst Bamboo. And like I said, I just did not get around to it. Is what it is. So you guys, that's it. That's one small haul from the clearance section. When I get my other box, we'll see if I make a video or not. As always, you guys, let me know down below, what did you guys pick up in the clearance section? What was the best thing? I love scent circles and I love wax, and we couldn't pass up on Jack. That's just what it is for me. Let me know all your thoughts down below. Let me know what you guys picked up. I love chit-chatting with Scentsy with you. And as always, you guys, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you find it very helpful, share it with somebody. Maybe it might help them. And before you leave, subscribe, do all the clicking, liking, sharing, subscribing, all the good stuff. And if you still want to hang around after all that, there's always a video here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.